The original Safari had a great fan following. Will this, the new Tata Safari, will live up to the expectations? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Motor Power Studio. My name is Ashish and today we have with us the all-new 2021 Tata Safari. The new generation Tata Safari shown in 2019 at Geneva Motor Show as Tata Buzzard as showcase model. Then the prototype model shown at Auto Expo 2020 as Tata Gravitas. Finally in January 2021, Tata Motors launched it as Tata Safari 2021. Price starts from 17.86 lakh to 26 lakhs on road Mumbai. So starting with its exteriors, it looks same as the Harrier with some cosmetic and dimension changes. From the front, it looks same as the Harrier, but the grille now gets the signature tri-arrow chrome treatment with the integrated daytime running light, and these TRLs are multifunctional. The headlamp setup is placed over here on the bumper, and these are the Xenon HID setup, and the throw is quite impressive at night. Also the fog lamps comes with the coronary function feature. Coming to the side profile, it is 80 mm taller and 63 mm longer than the Harrier, and what you will notice here is the addition of full-size quarter glass for the third row passengers. The name Safari is embossed over here on the chunky stepped roof rail, which are functional for the non-sunroof variant. Coming down, these are the 18-inch dual-tone machined alloy wheels, which are a size bigger than the Harrier. Coming to the rear end, this is quite a nice touch on the glass. And below here is the spare wheel, which is 16 inches size and not an alloy. It gets the Safari badging on the lower side of tailgate and Tata logo on the piano black strip. Now let me show you the interiors and let's find out how practical the new Safari is. Talking about the boot, it offers 73 liters of space with the third row seat up and 447 liters of space with the seats down. Now starting with the third row seat comfort, this particular variant comes with the pilot seats for middle row, so to reach the third row seats, you need to go from the narrow passage between these two seats. I am 6 feet tall and for me, headroom is limited, legroom is enough, but the thigh support could have been better. But overall the third row is quite practical and loaded with AC vents on the side pillars, which comes with lower speed control knob, and on the other side you will get 2 USB slots for charging phone and stuffs. But here the glass area is reduced due to these big AC vents. Coming to the middle row seats, this is the Boss mode, and the Boss mode in the Safari is really a cool and convenient feature. These are the reclining seats, which are extremely comfortable on those long highway trips, but the only thing could have been better is the handrest on these seats. These middle seats offer more than adequate amount of leg space and also the headroom is ample. Here in the doors you will get a dedicated mobile holder for the both sides. Talking about the front doors, these doors have lots of space to keep at least 2 big water bottles and a dedicated umbrella holder. The power window switches are nicely integrated on it. Here is the ORVM controls, and these handles comes with the soft touch materials, and here in dashboard the upper part also gets soft touch anti-reflective Napa treatment, which makes it look so premium. A hidden placement of ambient lighting is here near the door knob, is a nice touch by Tata. The front seat seating is same as the Harrier except the color combination, and the driver's seat is electronically adjustable. The signature Ashwood dashboard looks quite premium with this silver finished air conditioning air vents. Low down the console there is an aux port and a USB slot. Also there are 2 more USB slots and 12-volt socket inside this handrest as well. Here you will get the electronic parking brake, which does not comes in the Harrier, and also it comes with this big panoramic sunroof, which is great feature on offer at this price point, and this sunroof closes automatically when it senses rain. So now let's check out how it behaves on the roads and its overall performance. So the new Safari comes with the same Fiat source 2-liter turbocharged Cryotech inline 4-cylinder diesel engine, which offers a good amount of power, that is 170 bhp, and produces a torque output of 350 Nm at 1700 to 2500 rpm, which powers front two wheels only. It offers both 6-speed manual and Hyundai sourced 6-speed automatic transmission options, but I am driving this 6-speed manual variant. The gear shifts are nice but not that smooth, and the clutch is light but with longer travel. Talking about the ride quality and stability, I can easily feel the difference in ride quality. Suspensions are softer than the Harrier, although both are based on the same platform, but it feels more stable than the Harrier. And it's one of the best in its segment to offer good stability on highways. One can easily cruise at 110 to 120 kmph without losing confidence on those open roads. Also, the steering is on the heavier side. The heaviness feels in taking U-turns and parking in a tight spaces. The cabin is nicely insulated, but noise filters inside it post 35 rpm. The Safari weighs 75 kg heavier than the Harrier, but the braking performance feels better than that because the rear wheels also equipped with these disc brakes. There are 3 drive modes are on offer, which are rough mode, city mode and wet mode.
Rough road mode activated. City drive mode activated. Wet mode activated.
And it gets this 7-inch TFT color display, which shows a lot of information like air pressure of all 4 tires with temperature, fuel level, fuel economy figures, etc. It also has this 8.8-inch floating island infotainment system, which equipped with 9 JBL speakers, which supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. So coming to the deti kitna hai? So this particular 6-speed manual variant gives around 13 to 16 km per liter, and again it depends on how you're driving and the road conditions. Coming to the verdict, look wise it looks stunning and bold with those chunky alloy wheels, and the road presence is good. It offers a good ride comfort, and the cabin looks big and premium and practical in terms of storage spaces and charging ports. So the overall package is worth buying, but if you want a hardcore off-roader, then this will not help you. And if you stay in Chhattisgarh and planning for a Tata, you can contact Shivam Automotives for best deals. I will mention the contact details in the description. And thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, please give it a like, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and share. I will be back soon with another review video.